It was a quiet day on Sodor, so Thomas decided to explore more of this new track with his modified wheels. It didn't take him long to find a new line. "But bust my buffers," he said, as before him stood a huge mountain railway with a rather dangerous looking peak. "I must tell Percy and James," thought Thomas, so he rushed off to fetch them. They didn't need much persuading. "See?" said Thomas. "That's amazing," said Percy. "That looks awfully tall," said James. "I'm going to try it," said Thomas excitedly, and off he puffed. Wow, I think we need to see that again. "That was brilliant," said Thomas. "Have a go." "I'd love to," he said, and chugged on over to it. As Thomas was leaving, he flicked a switch and the track reset itself, ready for Percy. "You're right, Thomas, that was amazing. You must have a go, James." "OK," said James, rather nervously. As Percy left, he flicked the switch to reset the track. But it didn't work, and it was too late to warn James. Luckily, on his way up the mountain, he noticed the missing track and braked as hard as he could. "Help!" cried James. "I'm stuck!" "Don't worry, James. Thomas has gone to fetch help," reassured Percy, as Thomas steamed away to collect Rocky to pull James back onto the track. "I hope he's not too long," whimpered James. Thomas then returned with Rocky. But then there was trouble. Thomas couldn't pull Rocky up the steep mountain slope to rescue James. "Oh dear," said Thomas, "we're going to need more help." Luckily, Sir Topham Hatt rushed to the scene. "I know exactly who to call," he said. Soon enough, Buster the power crane arrived. "Don't worry, James, I can help." He reversed into position and got to work. Back on the track, James reversed down the mountain and thanked Buster. Buster then fixed the track so the trains could use it again. "Thank you, Buster, you saved the day. Would you like another go on the mountain, James?" asked Thomas, but he was already leaving. He'd had enough of the mountain for one day.